Good morning, dear students. In the last class, we discussed about pair of linear equation in two variables, exercise 3.3. So now we are in the fourth problem. Here, the taxi charges in a city consist of a fixed charge together with a charge for the distance covered. For a distance of 10 kilometers, the charge paid is rupees 105, and for the journey of 15 kilometers, the charge paid is rupees 155. So what is the fixed charge and what is the charge per kilometer? So and how much does a person have to pay for traveling a distance of kilometer of 25 kilometers? Okay, it's very easy one. So what we need to do, so let the charge per kilometer, let the charge sorry, okay, we'll take the let the fixed charge be x, let the fixed charge let the fixed charge be x, rupees x, and charge per kilometer charge per kilometer be rupees y. Okay, now the taxi charges in a city consist of fixed charge together with a charge for the distance covered. For a distance of 10 kilometers, the charge paid is 105. So here for 10 kilometers traveled. If they travel 10 kilometers, they pay 105. So which includes the fixed charge. So therefore x plus 10y, which is equals to 105. So we got one equation. And similarly here also, for the journey of 15 kilometers, they paid 155. So therefore x plus 15y, which is equals to 155. Call this as equation 2. Now what you will do, now simplify this using our method, substitution method. Okay, so how we can do, we can find the x and y values. So how can you do that? So now take that x here, I'll from the equation 2 I'm make the value of x. X is equals to 105 minus 10y. Call this as equation 3. So now equation substitute equation 3 in 2. So then what are you going to get? So x plus 15y is equals to 155. So here 105 minus 10y plus 15y, which is equals to 155. Is it clear? Now simplify this. So transpose this to this side. What you're going to get? So minus 10y plus 5y. It is 5y, which is equals to 155 minus 105. So 5y, which is equals to, if you subtract, you'll get 50. 155 minus 105, 50. Therefore y is equals to 50 divided by 5. So which is 5 ones are 5 tens are. So therefore y is equals to 10. Y is equal to rupees 10, or y is equal to 10. So now we can find the x value. So here x is equals to, substitute this x in the equation 1 or in equation 2 or in equation 3, wherever you want you can substitute it. So I'll substitute in the equation 3. So here 105 minus 10 into 10. So here x is equals to 105 minus 10 tens are 100. So here x is equals to 5 rupees 5. X is equals to rupees 5. So therefore fixed charge is rupees 5 and the charge per kilometer is rupees 10. Okay, so here what we took, okay, fixed charge be rupees x and charge per kilometer be rupees y, that is this is 5, this is 10. Is it clear? Yeah. Next problem. So the next problem, the fraction become 9 by 11 if 2 is added to both numerator and denominator, and if 3 is added to both the numerator and denominator, it become 5 by 6. Find the fraction. Okay, how to do this now? Okay, here they're telling that a fraction become 9 by 11. So which is a fraction? So we know that fraction in the sense the number which contain both numerator and denominator. The fraction numbers, so fraction number, it will be look like this, right? X by y or p by q, like this. The fraction number is like this. Whole number is like this: 1, 2, 3. Fraction is 3 by 2, 1 by 2, like this. This is a fraction. So the general form of fraction number is x by y. We know that we can call this as the first number is numerator and this number is denominator. Okay, now what we can do, so first we can write that let the numerator be x. Let the numerator be x. Let the numerator be x, and the denominator, so denominator be y. So therefore the fraction is equals to x by y. Is it clear? Let the fraction be x by y. So now according to the question, see the question, the fraction become 9 by 11 when in the sense if 2 is added to the both numerator and denominator. Okay, so what happened here? So here x by y is there. If we add 2 to both numerator and denominator, so then it will become 9 by 11. This is one equation. We need to simplify and we need to convert this to the equation. And one more thing, if 3 is added to both the numerator and denominator, if 3 is added to both the numerator and denominator, it becomes 5 by 6. So therefore x plus 3 divided by y plus 3, which is equals to 5 by 6. Now simplify these two equations and find the form the pair of linear equation two variable. How? Just cross multiply this. So 11 times x plus 2, which is equals to 9 times y plus 2. Okay, so then uh, 6 times x plus 3, which is equals to 5 times y plus 3. Okay, so then 11 into x, 11x, plus 11 into 2, 22, which is equal to 9 into y, 9y, plus 18. So then 11x minus 9y, which is equals to 18 minus 22. Okay, so now simplify this. 11x plus 11x. Okay, we'll do one thing. We need to find 11x minus 9y, which is equals to minus 22 is there, right? So if it's what is 18 minus 22? So 18 minus 22 is nothing but minus 4. So call this as equation 1, and here we can do the second equation. 6 into x, 6x plus 6 into 3, 18, which is equal to 5 into y, 5y, plus 5 into 3, 15. So then 6x minus 5y plus 18 minus 15 is equal to 0. So then 6x minus 5y, so 18 minus what is it, 18 minus 15 minus 3, sorry, plus 3 is equal to 0, or else you can write here 6x minus 5y minus 3 is equal to minus 3, call this as equation 2. Is it clear? I hope all of you understood till here. Okay, 6x minus 5y is equal to minus 3. Okay, so this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. So either from equation 1 or from equation 2 you should make one more equation, that is either x value or y value. So what we'll do, we'll do one thing. So we'll do 11, we'll take this 11x which is equals to 9y minus 4, and x is equals to 9y minus 4 divided by 11. So call this as equation 3. Now substitute equation 3 in 2. So then what you're going to get? So here 6x minus 5y is equal to minus 3. So then 6 into 9y minus 4 divided by 11 into minus 5y, nothing is there, so 1 is there, 1, which is equals to minus 1. In the denominator nothing is there, in a sense we can assume that 1 is there. Okay, now multiply this. 6 nines are, we know what is 6 nines are, is nothing but 54. 6 into 9y is 54y minus 6 into 4, 6 fours are, what is 6 fours are, is nothing but 24 divided by 11 minus 5y by 1, which is equals to minus 3. Okay, now simplify it further. So cross multiply this. If we cross multiply 54y minus 24 minus 11 into 5y, 11 into 5y divided by 11 into 1, 11. So either we need to take LCM or need to take or we need to do the cross multiplication. Here I did the cross multiplication, which is equals to minus 3. So now simplify. So 54y minus 24 minus 54 or 11 into 5, 55y which is equals to minus 33. So then 54 minus what is it, 54 minus 55, so it is nothing but minus 1y, which is equals to minus 33 plus 24. If we subtract minus 23 plus 24, what you're going to get? So we'll get minus 1y, which is equals to what is that, 24 minus 33 minus 24, so we'll get here, which is equals to minus 9. So here minus and minus get cancels, so therefore y is equals to plus 9, or y value is plus 9. So then what is x? So x is equals to, you can substitute the y value in equation 1, equation 2 or equation 3 to get x value. I'm substituting in equation 3. If you want, you can substitute in equation 1, even there also you'll get the same value. So here x is equals to 9 times 11, what is, sorry, y, our y value is 9 minus 4 divided by 11. So x is equals to 9 nines are 81 minus 4 divided by 11. 81 minus 4, what is 81 minus 4? 81 minus 4 is 77. 77 by 11. 11 ones are 11, 11 sevens are, therefore x is equals to 7. Okay, so what is the fraction they asked, right? What is the fraction they asked? So therefore the fraction is therefore the fraction is at last you need to write this, that is 7, what is that, x value is 7 and y value is 9. Therefore you only write the fraction is Therefore the fraction is 7 by 9. Therefore the fraction is 7 by 9. Is it clear? I hope all of you understood. Okay, in the last problem, I think I forgot to do this one. How much does a person have to pay if we travel a distance of 25 kilometers? So instead of here, what is that, 15, it will replace 25. Okay, how much you need to pay? Okay, we know what is x and we know what is y, so I can substitute the x and y values into 25. So suppose person travel 25 kilometers, so then what, how much you need to pay? Please make a change here. That is x plus 25y, which is equals to, okay, x plus 25y. We know what is x value. X value is 5 plus y value is 25 into 10, so which is equals to 250 plus 5, 255 rupees. 255 you need to pay. A person travels 25 kilometers, then you need to pay rupees 255. 250 into 10, that is 250. So 25 into 10 is 250 plus 5, 255. Is it clear? Okay, then we move for next problem. All of you do this in your classwork. These two problems, do in your classwork and mention today's date, and we'll move to the next problem now. Okay, the next problem, last problem of this exercise. Okay, the last problem of this exercise is sixth problem, that is 5 years hence. 5 years hence, the age of Jacob will be 3 times as his son. So 5 years ago, Jacob's age was 7 times that of his son. What are their present age? I hope all of you understood the question. So 5 years hence, in the sense, so the 5 years hence, after 5 years. Okay, yeah, 5 years hence in the sense after, and here one more is 5 years ago in the sense before. Okay, so now what is the present age of Jacob? We don't know. So what we can do, let the present age of Jacob be x years. Let the present age of Jacob be x years. Let the present age of Jacob be x years, and his sons be y years. Let the present age of Jacob be x year and the son be y years. So after 5 years, after 5 years, Jacob age, which is equals to x plus 5 years, and son age, which is equals to what we told, y, that is y plus 5 years. Okay, according to the question, see in the question what it is, 5 years ends, the age of Jacob will be 3 times his son. Jacob age 5 years ends, so here age of Jacob will be 3 times his son. Therefore x plus 5, age of Jacob after 5 years. What is after 5 years? What is the age of Jacob? That is x plus 5. That only the age of Jacob x plus 5 will be, that is nothing but is equals to, will be 3 times is son is y plus 5. Now simplify this, you'll get the equation. So here x plus 5, which is equals to 3y plus 15. So then x minus 3y, which is equals to 15 minus 5. So x minus 3y, which is equals to 10. Call this as equation 1. Okay, so and one more situation he gave that 5 years ago in the sense need to go back. So this age of Jacob is x minus 5. 5 years ago, 5 years ago, age of Jacob. 5 years ago, age of Jacob, which is equals to present age is x. 5 years ago in the sense x minus 5 is very simple. Suppose now, uh, okay, his age is 50 years. What is the age is 5 years ago? That is x minus 5. That is 45 years. Suppose if his age is 50 years now, what is his age after 5 years? That is x plus 5. That is nothing but 55 years. That is the thing. The same thing we doing in the verbal form. That's it. Okay. Okay. Now, Jacob age is x minus 5 and son age, which is equals to y minus 5. Age of Jacob, age of son. Sorry, already it is there, right? Okay. Age of Jacob x minus 5. Age of son y minus 5. Okay, so now what is the condition? Second condition, 5 years ago Jacob age was 7 times of his son. Jacob x minus 5 is equals to 7 times his son x minus y minus 5. So that is Jacob, that is x minus 5, which is equals to 7 times y minus 5. That's it. So simplify again, x minus 5, which is equal to 7y minus 7 5 is 35. So here x minus 5, which is equals to 7y minus 35. Simplify, x minus 7y, the same thing I wrote here again. Okay, wait, I'll change this. So here x minus 7y, which is equals to minus 35 plus 5. Okay, so then what you're going to get? So here x minus 7y, which is equals to minus 30. Call this as equation 2. Is it clear? Okay, so here this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. From equation 1, make x value or y value. So I'll do here equation 3 from equation 1. So what I'm going to do, so here x, which is equals to 10 plus 3y. Call this as equation 3. Call this as x is equals to 10 plus 3y. Call this as equation 3. Okay, substitute this x value in equation 2. Substitute equation 3 in 2. That is x minus 7y, which is equals to minus 30. So here x value is 10 plus 3y. So here 10 plus 3y minus 7y, which is equals to minus 30. So then 3y minus 4y, sorry, 3y minus 7y, that is 4y, which is equals to minus 30 minus 10, which is nothing but minus 4y, which is equals to minus 40. Minus minus get cancelled. Y is equals to 40 by 4. So therefore y is equals to 4 ones are 4 tens are. So y is equals to 10. So therefore we got that Jacob is son's age. His son age is, what is his son age? Okay, at the beginning we wrote present age of son is 10 years. And what is Jacob age? So you can substitute that x value either in equation, sorry, y value in the equation 1 or equation 2 or equation 3. So I'll substitute in equation 3. So you'll get x which is equals to 10 plus 3 into y. Y value is 10. So 10. So therefore x which is equals to 10 plus 30. So here x is equals to 40 years. So here x value is 40 years. Okay, x value is 40 years. I hope all of you understood this. So therefore Jacob age is 40 years and his son present age is 10 years. Jacob present age is 40 years and his son's present age is 10 years. I hope all of you understood. Okay, the remaining thing we'll see in the next class. We'll start with the new topic, elimination method, in the next class. Okay, so then have a nice day. Bye, take care.